How to create Uber driver's account. In today's video, I will guide you how to create Uber driver's account in simple and easy way. First of all, make sure your app is installed and downloaded on your device from any Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once installed, you need to tap on the open button to launch your app. And then you will get access to this kind of interface where you have to wait for a while until you get to the another page. You will get the continue button where you have to tap on continue, and then you will get access to this page where you have to enter your mobile number, or you can continue with email or Google to create or sign up on your Uber driver's account. So let's enter it and tap on continue button. Now you have to enter the 4-digit code that has been sent to your mobile number. Let's copy the code and tap on it and paste it on your device. With that, you will reach in this page where you have to enter your location, and then if you have referral code, you can easily add the referral code, but it is optional. So now you can select the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now with that, you have successfully registered to Uber driver's account. After you set up all your account's information, you'll be taken to this page where you have successfully came across this page, and that means that you have created Uber driver's account successfully. So in this way you can easily create Uber driver's account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like the button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.